Hello viewers. Today I am going to discuss a very burning topic nowadays is smoking. Smoking tobacco among the women. This is the topic for today, and here I will just discuss some of the impacts of smoking on women health. There are many issues that develop among the women after smoking. The woman who continues smoking as a habit, as an addiction, may face different types of problems during their lifetime. So, the different types of problem that a woman can face with smoking as their addiction can be divided or can be uh, divided into different steps. The different aspects of the health issues that occurs among the women due to smoking can be divided into different topics, different genres. They may face issues in their reproductive life. They may face issues in respiratory problems, cardiovascular problems, cancer, and most importantly, pregnancy. So I will just now elaborately discuss the topics of effects of smoking. The reproductive life of women mostly are getting disturbed nowadays due to the smoking habit. The smoking habit may develop irregular or painful periods among the women. The smoking also leads to low estrogen level, which may lead to mood swings, fatigue, and vaginal dryness type of problems. They can also go through menopause at a very younger age, and also the main problem that the women are facing nowadays is in getting pregnancy. These are due to smoking. The smoking may also affect the respiratory aspect of the woman more than that of the men. The smokers among the women may have the tendency to develop COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease very easily or at an younger age. Cardiovascular issues may also occur among the women who smokes. These cardiovascular issues may occur above the age group of 35 years and more. They are more susceptible to get heart disease in compared to the men who smoke. Women who smoke while using the oral contraceptive devices may also have a great risk of getting the heart diseases. This is again much more effective above the age of 35 years. Compared to men who smoke and women who smoke have a greater risk of dying from abdominal aortic aneurysm, which is a weakening of main blood vessels which carries the blood from heart to the body. Smoking may also lead to another thing that is very known to the world, that is smoking may also lead to another problem, that is cancer. The people who smoke have an increased risk of getting many types of cancer such as lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, kidney, liver, throat, bladder, colorectal cancers, etc. Smoking is associated with the increased rate of cervical cancers among the women. Smoking may also cause lung cancer, which is a more or which is in which the women die from lung cancer and other types of cancer like breast cancer also. There are now more new cases of lung cancer among the women who smokes between the age of 30 to 49 than the men. Last but not the least, smoking is affecting the pregnancy among the women. The women who smoke may have a harder time of getting pregnant. If they do get pregnant, the nicotine from the smoking can also harm their baby. If a baby is exposed to nicotine during the pregnancy period, it may affect their development before and after the birth. Smoking during the pregnancy may lead to higher risk of a healthy child born, higher risk of getting serious birth defects among the children like cleft lip, cleft palate, hole in the heart, etc. There are lower chances of getting healthy birth weight of the baby after giving birth of the baby. Less likely to have a normal brain development. The brain may development after the brain development during the birth process, during the pregnancy period of a child may also get hampered, and also the child may get different types of problems related to underdeveloped brain. They also may die from sudden infant death syndrome. So the women who quit smoking are making a healthy choice for themselves and their baby during their pregnancy and birth. Quitting smoking lowers the risk of miscarriage and also the loss of pregnancy and getting ectopic pregnant, which is a very dangerous condition when the embryo implants outside the uterus. So it is always recommended to cease the smoking and get a healthy life.